How close are we to Terminator? I don't know. Looks like Skynet is not far off. New humanoid robot factory in China claims it can make 1 unit every 30 minutes. Let's jump into this now. Before I do, you can help me out by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, comment down below. So, on March 29, 2026, China launched its first production line capable, and get this, of manufacturing 10,000 humanoid robots annually. A joint venture between a couple of Chinese companies over there marks a shift towards high-volume output. Apparently, the facility features 24 assembly stages, 77 inspection checkpoints, allowing a completed robot to roll off the line every 30 minutes. This represents a 50% efficiency increase over previous assembly models. Oh, joy. Now, in order to do this, you need very flexible manufacturing, and apparently this facility is guided by a bunch of vehicles and digital controls, and they switch between this and that, and they can do not just robots, but things like household appliances and stuff. Now, a humanoid robot really needs two things fundamentally: a body, so a physical thing, and a brain, which is a software thing, AI. And two companies, like I mentioned before, have teamed up, and they're going to do this as quickly as possible. Now, where do you see these humanoid robots in, let's say, a decade? In the military? In factories? In your house? Who knows? Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But just a look at this, it kind of scares me just a little bit. Just a little bit. Your comments and thoughts, as always, down below.